lost your faith.
Maddie is my biggest competition, and because Maddie and I are always competing, she inspires me to become a better dancer.
To touch your face, 'cause roses bloom.
There's a little bit more pressure on me because I want to win the same thing as Chloe and maybe even more.
Drown in a heart so sore. You cry and I wanna save you tonight. Touch you, love you, turn your darkness to light. You scream and punch the air and grab at those that you.
A lot of times I feel compared to Maddie, but I think it's unfair because we're different people, so we shouldn't be compared. When I'm dancing, it should be about me, and then when Maddie's dancing, it should be about Maddie.
I just met you and I can't let you drown.
Chloe is my biggest competitor